Yes, peeps, big up once more. All those zoom in to cooking with tz&c. You know, the thing of cooking what you crave. So, you know, we give every kind of Jamaican recipe. We give fruits, we give fruit punch, we give juice, bakings, yeah, the whole 9 yards. But today, you know, quick and easy, we are gonna whip up some Naseberry punch. I know almost every fruit in Jamaica you can think of. Yeah, what cannot make punch can make juice. So Naseberry is no different. You can get your Naseberry juice or your Naseberry punch. So today we are gonna whip up a quick and easy Naseberry punch. I know the fruit, yeah, the Naseberry fruit, it have a lot of benefit, really. So we just have 2 small fruits we are going to put to good use. And you know, you can cook about 6 beneficiary factors of the Naseberry. And you know it's anti-inflammatory, yeah, it's good for the bone. Naseberry help with digestion, gives energy. You believe that? Yeah, man. Good for the eye, yeah. Yes, this simple Jamaican fruit, the Naseberry, provide and gives to the human body. So you see it as some healthy juice, some healthy punch we are put together. So whenever you pass a Naseberry tree loops, just grab 2 and 3 fruit and just bring it home and just, you know, make yourself a nice Jamaican tonic, strong back, buck up in a punch. You see me? So let's just get kicking. Yeah, so if we kick it up, we have a Naseberry, 2 average size. Yeah, call them big size. Cause I have smaller on this and you have, yeah, some fairly bigger than these. You have your nutmeg, suppligent, you know, you want a little extra essence with it, vanilla, dragon, yeah. I choose the dragon because you see the Guinness, it gives a different taste, a different chemistry, a different vibes, a different zest. Yes, so I just want a milder taste. If we go with the Naseberry, so I choose the dragon stout. Good old Jamaican dragon stout. Vanilla Alaska. Yeah, you know, your salt of a be a must. And we have some frozen ripe banana. So I'm just going to use not all it, you know, but 1 or 2, depending on the taste and the consistency. So let us get busy. First thing, prepare the Naseberry. Alright, peeps. So you know, yeah, well, wash and thing. So when I want 2 things, when I want the skin and I want the seed. So I'll just scoop out the fruit itself. Yeah. And just make sure I remove everything from the skin. Yeah. So the thing set. You see it? Out. Remove that. Let me just see if we can get the seeds out. Okay. So skin and seed removed out of that piece. Alright. Dig out. I know really, peeps, some persons fond of the skin. Some person now waste nothing, you know, just wash it off and just deal with it. Skin and fruit. The only thing then spit out of the seed. You see me? But I don't want this skin. Just need the fruit. So let me just do this with the next one. Alright, remove this seed. Alright, so after you get that out, you know, you're just gonna transfer them into your blender. Or if you have your bullet here, you just put them in your bullet and get going. Alright, so first thing first, I give this a blend, and we are going to put in with the supplement. If you just kind of level him out, give him a smooth consistency. Yes, so first thing, supplement and Naseberry. See that, peeps? Rich consistency. Watch that. Oh, we're not there yet, you know. That's just the start of it. So zoom in still. Alright, so we have that. Followers, you know, Naseberry is a sweet piece of fruit. You know that. So with this punch, you don't need no sweetening aid, no sugar, or less sugar, little or no sugar, or milk. You see me? So we also use supplement dragon for liquefying. So right now, frozen banana to that now. Here, add him in, cover him up, give him a testing. Okay. All right. Continue. Blend. And we pour in. But let me just add little flavoring, nutmeg to the package. You don't want to give too much, you know, just 2 little scrapings. Yeah. And that's good enough. And we're going to get a little dragon. Tip a pinch of salt, you know how the thing goes. We have vanilla last cup, so we just put a little vanilla to it as well. Not much. We just give it a little kickstart. You see me? So cover again and peeps. As you know, the Naseberry sweet. the banana sweet, so you don't need to add no sugar whatsoever. You just let the sweetness from the fruit mix and sweeten the punch. So right now we're almost there now, so we're just gonna transfer this now. Let me just give it 2 more seconds. And then now we're just gonna transfer it into a container and put in the fridge to chill for about an hour and then serve. Stay tuned. So there you have it. Look at this guy. Look at this. Wow. So smooth. Let me just pour it now. Chill for about an hour. You know, you can have this by itself. This is a food drink, peeps. Solid food drink. So just gonna put in the fridge. Be right back. It's after chilling for about 45 minutes. Yeah, this is our Naseberry punch. Just look at it. Yeah, rich, smooth. Just look at it. Serve cold. So here you have it. Our Naseberry punch. Just look at it, guys. Rich, thick, healthy Naseberry punch. Look at that, guys. Naseberry punch. Thick, creamy, delicious Naseberry punch.